So it's a new opening channel interview with our wonderful Monica. Monica, when she was 18 years old, she was a master of marathon of Kenya. Kenya, you know, in Mother Africa. And that is our beauty and most fast of the world, Monica from Kenya.
Yeah.
So, but now in the moment, Monica is not so super fast, because in the moment it's special circumstances with Monica. But Monica is still there. And give us a peace message for our international audience, or love message, or hate message, or what kind of message? Okay.
Let's smoke.